Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Montego Bay. We're on the Alice Eldemire Drive and we're heading towards Sunset Boulevard to take a look at the hotels that are on that strip. Okay, this road is named after the wife of Herbert Eldemire, who was the first Minister of Health in Jamaica. And this road is named after his wife, Alice. Okay, so I'm not sure you can see, but on the right is the cruise ship here, and there's our Carnival cruise ship in port. We'll take a tour after we finish down here. Actually, I'll just show you guys quickly the ship. Okay, so now we're heading towards Sunset Boulevard. Now, on the left, you're going to see some very nice complexes. They're gated communities, so we're not going to be able to drive in, but they're mostly used for as villas or rentals for tourists. But one in particular is called the Lagoons. Very nice facility, very nice complex. It's one of the top neighborhoods or top complexes in Jamaica. Very expensive, very exclusive. This is it on the left, but it's a gated community, so they're not going to let us in. It's one of the most expensive areas to live in Jamaica. So as you can see now, we are still on Alice Eldemire Drive, but you're going to see a lot of hotels now. A lot of the more expensive complexes are you're going to see a lot of hotels, marinas. You can see how nicely maintained the place is, so you know you're in a tourist section of the island. Okay, so on the left now is the Secrets Hotel. Very nice hotel. Very, very large hotel. Alright, so as you can see, there are a lot more hotels and complexes. This one on the right is not sure what that one is. Okay, we're now on Sunset Drive. So these are the hotels on Sunset Drive. The Bayfront Apartments on the right. These are the Westport Apartments on the right. As you can see, they're very nice.